I won't do anything.
No, put it on here.
Okay, now you push down like this.
It's gonna hurt.
It is?
No, it's
Kidding.
hurt. It's trying to do something.
No, you gotta put it
hard.
on. It's hard to do it.
It's not gonna hurt.
Okay, I can't do it.
Emily. You can do it, Emily. Press hard.
Oh! Okay. That was hard. You gotta push the ball through. There's a ball in here, like this. You know why it's $8? Because there's so much glass in there that there is glass.
I didn't know that.
It's, what is it? What does the ball do to it? Carbonated stuff. Taylor, what does the ball do to it? That is a very cool drink. We got it. Where's it from, Taylor?
Yeah, she spelled Y. From Japan.
It's Ramune. It's from Japan?
No, H.
I don't know.
6 of those for $8. A.
I know, but we got it on sale for $4 or $5. We got 6 of these for $5.
No, I said no because
And that is very cool. I will keep it forever.
Grammar. Say you've been.
It's
You have to write. You have to put it in preposition.
Yep.